Hi. Today we're going to talk about a strange title of When Reliability Stops Being Yours. There are two ways this particular pattern arrives. The first is internal, the one yesterday's piece examined. You're doing something you're genuinely good at, and a question surfaces, uninvited. Am I doing this because I want to, or because I can't stop? The second arrives before you've done anything at all. You walk into a room, and the room already knows who you are. The reliable one, the one who handles it, the one people turn to when something needs doing, when the situation requires steadiness, when the machine needs someone it can count on. The expectation is in the air before you've spoken, and the machine, yours, reads it instantly and begins to confirm it. Tajfel and Turner's social identity theory describes something the machine understands before the conscious mind does. We don't just have an individual identity, we have a social identity, the version of us that exists in our group's eyes, that defines our place in the group's structure, that we maintain because the group's continued recognition depends on it. For the person who became reliable early, who found that reliability and a place secured approval, reduced the threat of exclusion, the social identity and reliable version became inseparable. The group learned to expect it. The expectation became a structure. The structure became, over time, invisible. Which is why walking into the room feels like freedom, like simply being yourself, when it really is anything but. Spinoza named this with characteristic precision. People believe themselves free only because they're conscious of their actions, but ignorant of the causes by which they are determined. The person who walks into the room and confirms the expected version is conscious of what they're doing. They're not conscious of what is determining it. The social identity established years ago. The group's expectation maintained by the group's need. The machine reading the room and adjusting before the person has decided anything. This is not freedom. This is the machine being run by causes it cannot see. The full piece, including the three-stage practice applied to the threshold moment, is available to paid subscribers on Patreon and Substack. If you're interested in a free introductory session of the practice, go on to Negative Philosophy and sign up there. Tomorrow, we talk about the identity that arrived before you did. Thank you.